Pop's car, he put it out here on the lawn, looking all clean and stuff. I'm over here at Pop's house. But we done that thing to my car. We done put coilovers on this thing. We did the Mavericks. Just drove it down the street. Major improvement from how I used to ride. Back sit down good. This side right here, I don't know, we're in the grass too. This side right here seems, this front right here is looking good. But the other front look like it's high. I just took it for a drive just now, and I mean, the car definitely lowered. In a 3-minute drive, like the car definitely lowered down a lot more than the initial drop when we dropped it off the jack spring. I mean, off the car jack and lowered it down. Yeah, the car sat low, but as soon as we did a drive, it came back up the street. It definitely lowered a lot more. Yes, sir. Looks a lot better. Let's see. Key's still in it. And then pop this trunk. And I got a bunch of junk in here right now, and I removed all of that aluminum in here, that cage that was back here. So now just gotta clean up all the wiring and stuff. Yeah. Trunk is definitely a lot bigger than what I thought it was, but yeah, it's coming together though. It's coming together slowly but surely. It sure is. So yeah, I messed with the suspension a little bit more. Get this thing riding height. This side right here looks perfect. Right now, the way this thing is sitting, it looks perfect. Like, that is perfect. I love the way that's sitting right there. That stance, oh my gosh, that stance looks so good. The other side, but like I said, we're sitting in the grass. I don't know, might be some uneven stuff going on, but yeah, that looks good. Now Pop's talking about he want to lower his car down. I'm like, I told you, let's lower that thing down. We need to flash the ECU. I need to hook my HP tune up to his car and get that thing done. I might do that today. I might come back tomorrow and do that. I'm not sure, but it definitely gonna get done. I'm trying to get it done this weekend. Flash that thing, and we get a tune on that car. Then we take it out to Dinwiddie drag strip in a week or two. The next week or two. And I changed the changed all of these too. Put new ones on there. I don't really like them. They look better than the rusty stock ones, but I mean they stick out a lot though. I don't know, they're a lot bigger than what I thought it would be. And on the camera, they don't look that bad, but in person, to me, it's like they stick out a lot. I don't really like them, but I'm gonna roll with them right now. I'm gonna roll with them for a while. But yeah, the car definitely rides better. Not nearly as bouncy. These things, I think the shocks are 32-way adjustable. So, of course, like I said, we just sat it down on the ground and we just went for a test drive. So, I haven't played with none of the settings or anything, so. Let go of the steering wheel, the car went straight for a long ways. But I'm gonna mess with the suspension a little bit more, drive it for like a week. Then I'll take it to a shop and, get the alignment and all that stuff done. Woo! I'm liking it though. I love this side, the other side. But oh man, this thing look good. It's time to black it out now. It's time to black it out. Yes, looks good.